Thank you. So my name is Bojana Obradović, coming from the Faculty of Technology and Metallurgy, University of Belgrade. And first, before I start, I would like really to thank Professor Goran Ristić for organizing these twinning project days, because this was really helpful for me, because we have just started our project, and we are already facing some of the challenges, and some of the experiences really gave me some ideas to think about and maybe to implement in our project. So our project is twinning to Excel materials engineering for medical devices, ExcellMater, and similarly to some of the projects that were presented today and yesterday, this project is really focused on our faculty and to advance the research and innovation capacity of our faculty in the area of biomaterials engineering by twinning the knowledge from international institutions. And these are Aalto University from Finland, then University of Eastern Piedmont in Italy.
Bojana, sorry.
Yes?
But slide.
Eastern Piedmont in Italy, especially Center for Allergic and Autoimmune Diseases in Novara, then AO Research Institute Davos in Switzerland. So we started on 1st of November in 2020, so duration is the same as for all projects, 36 months, and the budget is about 880,000 euros, and the good thing in this call was that we have 10% of the budget for research. The rationale for this project is that our faculty is really has a strong research in the area of materials engineering, and including biomaterials engineering. And in the area of biomaterials engineering, we are aiming at like some orthopedic applications, and also at some wound treatment, wound dressings. So we have really strong research in materials synthesis in different materials like inorganic, then different polymers, then different bioactive substances, nanoparticles, and then also designing different bioactive composites, and also very strong different production methods like nanotechnology, like electrospinning, and all these other kinds of production methods, and also very strong physical-chemical characterization methods like different microscopy methods, then nano indentation and mechanical characterization, analytical methods. And then, as this is biomaterials, they have to be also characterized regarding biological activity and biological properties. And as you can see here in biological characterization, there is almost nothing. Basically, we have some antimicrobial studies on several standard strains, and cytotoxicity is really limited to one cell type. So basically, this is a clear lack in our research. Now, when you look at the path to utilization of novel biomaterials into really clinical products, then it was already recognized that there are generally two gaps in translation of research results. So the first gap is to translate the biomedical research results to products, to real products, and then the second gap is to introduce these products into clinical practice, so to train doctors and to make them use your product. And when you look where the our faculty is, it's basically just there, starting some preclinical development. So this is really, really just a start in the whole this path to products, and not only because of this lack in biological characterization, but also in the lack in whole knowledge in IP protection, utilization of the results, commercialization. So we have like patents and patent applications in different fields, but none of them has been licensed or sold to industry. So this is a recognized weakness, and we have actually established a lot of collaboration with different research groups and different institutes of molecular biologists, medical doctors, pharmaceutical engineering and pharmacy. But the problem is that we engineers, we cannot design a biological experiment. On the other hand, these molecular biologists and all these life scientists, they mostly work with, in Serbia, they work on drugs, on substances, and not really with three-dimensional like materials that would be like implants. So it's really hard. They do not experience in that. So it has been hard to conduct successful experiments with them. And this is one side. The other side is also that we established infrastructure for commercialization and utilization of our results. We have Innovation Center at our faculty. We have Business Technology Incubator. We have collaborating with Science Technology Park. But as I said, the results are really limited. So the main weakness is lack of relevant knowledge and expertise. These knowledge areas will be twinned to us by our international partners. So as you can see on biological evaluation from Italian partner, then tissue engineering, biomaterials, biomechanics from EO Institute Davos, then regulations, regulatory aspects, then licensing, startups, and also the health technology assessment, and also the project proposal preparation and project management and administration. So all this expertise is really relevant for us, and it's really expertise of our partners. So what we did in this project, we gathered basically almost all these groups at our faculty that are working on different biomaterials, and also different groups at our partner institutions. And the idea is not only to twin the knowledge to us, to the Faculty of Technology and Metallurgy, but also to engage also our these life science groups and local partners, and also our infrastructure for commercialization, industrial partners, so to have a local network that we could utilize later after the project, and of course to reach also the wider public and wider sectors. So in this, with this same, actually we think that mostly on-site visits, on-site trainings are really important, and we are kind of also worried about this lack of possibilities to travel and to have, of course, online is nice, but for such biological characterization and methods, we are afraid we will not be able to adequately transfer the knowledge to us and to our partners. And of course, as it was required in this call, our project also has a dedicated focus on early stage researchers who are participating in almost all project activities. And also we have a dedicated focus on strengthening the research management and administration skills, so which is also a weakness at our faculty. So we plan to form an internal expert group at our faculty at the end of the project. And here you can see the project activities and outcomes, basically similar as other projects that we saw. These 2 days, basically we have from international partners with these short-term expert visits, short-term scientific missions, exchange of students, then summer schools, then joint mentorship, so direct transfer of knowledge to our faculty, but also with organization of seminars and workshops. We plan to involve also our local partners in life sciences, to build the local ecosystem, and while with wider dissemination activities and the conference, we aim to increase the whole visibility of our us and our network. So here you can see the organization of the project, which is, and the work packages, which is similar to the previous projects that were presented. So we had originally 5 work packages, and then work package 6, ethics, was added after the start of the project because of the requirement of the Commission, because we have some research, to cover the ethical issues. Otherwise, the project has a project management work package. Then we have 2 packages on enhancing the local capacity, like with twinning the expertise, and also the specialized seminars, and also understanding and analyzing industrial ecosystem in Serbia and in the region, and also with the work packages of dissemination and widening knowledge, that is workshops, summer schools, and conference, to really increase the visibility and to widen the knowledge. So what have we done so far? So we are in this beginning of the project. We had the online kickoff meeting, which was nice in November. Then we had 3 already project steering committee meetings. We established the ExcellMater website, Twitter account. We are just planning to set also LinkedIn account and YouTube channel. And then we are just now scheduling all these short-term exchanging and scientific, these expert visits, and also all these events. We are just now making more structured plans. So we basically moved all of these activities to the end of this year and the next 2 years. So 2022 and 2023 will be quite busy. So it's a little bit worrying, but on the other hand, our partners were more for really trying to do the on-site events. So we will see how this will go. Then we are doing then now all these communication activities, like with flyers, videos. I have to say, the videos that we are making with the help of the student organization at our faculty, so who are also promoting faculty to school pupils and high school pupils, and also prospective students. So this we hope to have efficient this communication with them too. This is a good help, especially on this social media and something like that. Then we plan for this year to have joint participation in several conferences. They will all mostly be carried out online at Termis, Tissue Engineering and Regenerative Medicine International Society World Congress in November. We have a joint symposium that is accepted, which is nice, but probably everything will go online. So our plan was also to have some joint experiments but currently this is mostly exchange of samples for characterization. So we hope that with the exchange of students, that this real collaboration will be ongoing, which is a little bit worrying because we have also this deliverable of making nice joint publications. So I hope we will be able to do that by the end of the experiment. But what I really am grateful to these 2 days and this meeting yesterday and today is that I saw that really good experiences from some online events. So I'm just thinking to maybe propose to the partners to maybe add some of online events that we were not planned, but maybe as a communication activity, as a promotion activity, maybe some initial trainings during this year when we do not have that many these activities on research and exchange and traveling. So also I heard really some other nice ideas that I maybe implement, and also some of the projects were quite also close to us, to our topics, so maybe we will collaborate. So this is really nice outcome of these 2 days. And with this, I would like to thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer.